flooding in parts of the upstate. In fact, it rained so much yesterday that it set a record, as Jackie just mentioned. This was at Greenville-Spartanburg Airport for November 12th. The record rain total, nearly 3 inches. Now, flooding in one area led to a high water rescue at a homeless camp in Greenville County. 7 News reporter Tobias Rodriguez has more.
On Monday, we had a full day of rain, and that has caused some flooding in areas of Greenville County. Right behind me, this is where the Swamp Rabbit Trail does meet up with the West Blue Ridge Road. Last night, there was a water rescue that took place in this area. It took about 2 hours. The Greenville County Sheriff's Office and the Parker Fire District were here to try and get people out of danger. The Greenville County Sheriff's Office says they received a call around 10:30 after reports of several people trapped in rising floodwaters. The 2 men rescued were part of a larger group of about 10 homeless people that had been camped out in this area. In this video, you can see scenes from overnight the boat used to get into the water and save these men, and how emergency crews responded in the rain to try and help these people. We were able to speak with one of the men right after he got out of that scary situation.
So how long were you stuck out there?
Yeah, I moved my tent up higher ground, and they come and got us.
So were you guys living out there?
Yeah, we're homeless.
Thankfully, everyone is safe, and hopefully everyone involved last night is keeping warm. Reporting in Greenville County, Tobias Rodriguez, 7 News.